need something that's gonna stick with me the entire day that I don't have to retouch because I truly don't have time for it. And ColorStay checks all of those boxes. Okay, so I'm setting an alarm for 1 hour. It's going, let's see how it goes. Okay, here we go. I choreographed the whole thing in 1 hour, and it's still intact. Look at his cheeks, not cakey. Your girl loves cake, but not on her face.
I need something long-wearing, something that can hold up to having an active lifestyle.
We're gonna put this ColorStay to the test, y'all.
Honestly, guys, I was very curious to see how the Revlon ColorStay foundation would actually hold up to my workout, but y'all, it didn't flake and it didn't cake. Are you seeing this right now? My skin looks radiant.
I think ColorStay fits my lifestyle because it's long wearing and I want to put on makeup in the morning and not have to worry about touching it up throughout the day.
After a very full day, I can say for sure that the Revlon ColorStay Makeup really held up. I feel like it looks as good as it did this morning, and so I'm really pleased with the outcome.